Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss CBSE class 10 maths and we are going to start a new chapter in this video, that is the 10th chapter in your NCERT maths textbook, and that is circles. So we'll just get into the introduction of the concept in this video, children. So we all know about a circle, okay? So we are going to learn about how are the different ways a line can touch a circle or not touch a circle, okay? Or it can go through a circle. So that is what we have. We have three lines here. One is the non-intersecting line, another one is a secant, and the last is the tangent. If you have a circle can have a line which is in no way connected to the circle, or which can pass through the circle, or it can just touch the circle. Okay, so in those three cases we are going to classify the line which is not going to touch, that is going to be the non-intersecting line. Is it clear, children? So this is the non-intersecting line, and the next one is the secant. Okay, secant is something which passes through the circle. A non-intersecting line and a circle will never touch at all. A secant and a circle will touch at 2 points. So a secant will touch a circle at 2 points. The next one is the tangent. So tangent is the main concept which we are going to learn. Okay, secant and tangent. So because these are the lines which are going to come in contact with the circle. So a tangent is a line which is going to touch at only one point. It's going to touch only at one point. If a line is going to touch a circle at only one point, then this is called as your tangent. Is it clear, children? So this is your secant. You may get a doubt that if we have a line like this, it is called a chord. You have already learned it as a chord. Yes, this is a chord. But when you're going to extend it outside, then it is called as a secant. So you can say that a chord is a part of a secant. A chord is a part of a secant. Now we learn about the word tangent and the secant here. So this word tangent is going to derive from the Latin word called tanger, which means to touch. That means, as I told you, the line is going to touch the circle at only one point. It is going to touch. It is not going to pass through. It is going to touch. Now, there are certain properties of the tangent which we are going to look through now. There is only one tangent at a point of the circle. So, you can see this picture. Here you can see that at a point P, they are trying to draw different lines. All the lines cannot be called as a tangent. Only one particular line which is going to touch. Okay, so you can see this particular line. So only this particular line will be called as the tangent. Only this particular line is called as a tangent. If you see every other line, it is going to pass through. See, it is going to pass through. So those lines are not tangents, but they are secant. Okay, so there is only one tangent at a point. You should be very careful with all this, children. You will be asked in your MCQs. And then a tangent to a circle is a special case of a secant. A special case of a secant is because in a secant, as I told you, you have 2 points. If the 2 points are going to coincide, these 2 points are going to coincide, then it will be like this, isn't it, children? If you have 2 points and those 2 points are going to coincide, then you can say it is going to be the secant is going to be a tangent. That is what is given here. The tangent to a circle is a special case of a secant only when the two endpoints of its corresponding chord are going to coincide. That means there is only one point. Both the points are going to touch each other. So the common point of the tangent of the circle, this common point, this is called as the point of contact. What is this called as? Point of contact. Okay, and the tangent is going to touch the circle at this common point called as the point of contact. You must be aware of all these words, children, because when you come across the numericals, you will be able to see that it will be given like at the point of contact. So if you see at the point of contact, you should know that the tangent is going to touch the circle at that particular point. So with this we are giving we have learnt about the introduction to this chapter, children. So for the circles, first thing we are going to concentrate mainly is about the tangent, and I hope I made you understand it. If you have any doubts, please open your textbook, go through it, and also listen to the video once again so that it will be easy for you. So we have another theorem and few more concepts which we'll be seeing in the upcoming video. Hope you understood this, children. Thank you, children.